Hey everyone, my name is Anna. I've been with LivBay for a little bit over a year now. This channel is dedicated to everything lashes and beauty, so if you haven't already, click the subscribe button down below. So today we're going to be doing a mega volume set on our client here today. So with mega volume, it's a 0.03 diameter lash. It is the thinnest lash in the industry, and it is the darkest, fullest, densest, most dramatic look. You can definitely go for a lighter set when it comes to mega, but today we're really gonna go for a dark, blacked out, dense look today. I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple of tips and tricks along the way as I work on my client today, so let's get started. So I already have my client prepped and primed here. I have my 0.03 lashes here. We're gonna be working in a range of 9 millimeters to 15 millimeters in a CC curl. Oh, and we're gonna be doing an open eye on our client today. What I'm doing right now is I'm working on the top layer of lashes so that way I can tape up and work on her bottom layer. When it comes to making your sets darker, it's really important to work in layers, so I just wanna make sure I get the top layer first so it makes it easier to move the lashes back. And as you can see, I'm really working with narrow fans and picking up quite a bit of lashes. So we're all done with her set. She is looking awesome, so we're gonna have her go ahead and open her eyes. As you can see, she is dark, she is fluffy. I used narrow fans, worked in layers, and it's gonna achieve this dark, fluffy look. So that's gonna complete our video for today. Just remember, work in layers, ladies. Get those lashes up, get to that bottom layer and lash as many lashes as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope it brought you a ton of value. Question for you, what are your struggles with Mega? So put it in the comments below so that way we can give you our advice. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.